Alright, hey guys, welcome to the TCG's YouTube channel. Today we're going to open up the Ancient Origins Blister pack, sorry. Alright, well, let's get into it. Alright, so in this blister, I got the, why is it not focusing? Alright, well, I got this Salamence. You know, it's alright, I guess, it looks cool, whatever. Alright, and then the coin. Got a Fennekin. Pretty cool. Alright, let's start with the packs. So we got packs, we got 2 Hoopas and a Tyranitar. So let's just start with the Hoopas. The Hoopas. Alright, okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Alright, so starting off. Got a Malamar if it'll focus. There we go. A Malamar. Ball Toy. Unknown. That's nice. Magikarp. Quagsire. How the fuck do you say that? Ariados. There we go. Forest of Giant Plants trainer or stadium card. That's pretty cool. And then Flareon. That's pretty sick. And then reverse holo is a Beldum. And then a Golurk for the rare. That looks pretty cool. Or the stop on it is prevent all effects of your opponent's Pokemon's abilities during or done to this Pokemon. So yeah, that's a pretty good card. Alright, and then we'll open up another Hoopa. Hoopa of the Hoopa. There. Alright, and then for the free code, this video will do this one. Alright, there you guys go. Alright, did I just do the 1, 2?
Maybe you get a Hoopa.
I think I did. Alright, well, if I didn't do the 1, 2, 3 thing, my bad. Alright, so we get starting off, we got an Eevee, Persian, focus. Alright, well, whatever, that's a shitty card anyways. Relicanth, Porygon, another Golurk, Curlia, the trainer Sceptile Spirit Link, trainer Echo Arm. Reverse holo Sceptile Spirit Link, and then it's a holo Virizion. That looks kind of, I don't know, that's alright, I guess. Looks kind of cool. Alright, and then for the last pack, hopefully we get an EX. Yeah, hopefully we get something good. Because so far, we ain't getting anything good. Alright, so starting out with the Quagsire, Combi, another Malamar, Larvesta, Golett, an Energy Recycle Trainer card, another Ariados, Paint Roller, Reverse Holo Relicanth, and then a rare Claydol, however you say that. Alright, so these 3 packs, really, all we got was the Golurk and the Virizion.
Virizion's really the only thing good thing.
Yeah, Golurk just kind of looks cool. Yeah, it's really the only good thing. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.